This video covers the project scope functionality within Project Lifecycle Pro. We're logged into our demo environment for Big Dog Roofing, and we're logged in as Paul Mastiff, Project Manager. Paul is the project manager for the Dollars Cloud upgrade. Dollars is Big Dog's financial system. They're currently on the desktop version, and this year they are migrating onto the cloud version. So project scope is within the project. Here we have the project open. Go to the related items, we scroll down, and we have the project scope section. The intent here is that we capture all the major in-scope and out-of-scope items so that we have consensus among all the stakeholders on the project and clear agreement on what the project is going to address and what it is not. So that would be the project team members, that would be the sponsors, the steering committee members, any stakeholders who have major stake in this project. They can all see in black and white. They can comment. They can make sure that the project is doing the right things. This is the same equivalent to this section, typical section on a project charter. So if we see here, Paul has already created some scope items. Those that are checked under in scope are in scope. Those unchecked are out of scope. We've got categories for people, process, or technology, description of the scope item, etc. So let's open up one of these, saying that the residential division is in scope, right? We probably should have a better description in here, and we can say residential division is in scope because right, we have the category in here, which is people, process, or technology. Whether or not it's in scope, so automatically associated to the project when created here within the project. So pretty straightforward. You also have here under related, any files, supporting files, we can be attached here. We're going to save our change. Go back to the list. We have the commercial division. It's marked here as out of scope. The commercial division is out of scope since they are on a different accounting system. Makes sense. Cancel that out. Back here, if we want to create a new scope item, create a new scope item is, I'm going to say 2023 Q2 financial close. Category, we're going to say that's a process. That's going to be out of scope. Say yes, save. And then we're going to say 2023 Q3 close, financial close. And it's a process scope item. We're going to say that's in scope. And we'll say Q3 financial close will be completed using the cloud version. And save. So we have our list of in scope and out of scope items. And that's project scope.